This is what happens when two trucks love each other very much. This curious creature is called a tapir. They have stripes as camouflage when they are young, and lose it as they mature. If you ever visit Japan, there is a zoo that allow visitors to see capybaras relaxing in hot springs. Watch this amazing dog jump over this 20-foot wall. This brave mother rabbit quickly comes to the rescue when her baby is caught by a snake. The of tree houses in Germany that tourists can stay at. Thanks. Please like, share and subscribe. Check out my channel for other fun videos.